Exciting day this is to have this opening. It's something that is really, we visioned about what we wanted to do with our pediatric program, that it's not just about being a hospital, but it's being about in the community, and it's about education, it's about sharing the experience. And one of the things that's so cool about this center, and Kelly, you've done such a marvelous job, and the board, I just got to tell you, this is such a great treasure for our community to have. Because kids get to experience things, they get to get the fear factors away, they get to learn about things, and they get to really experience the moment as opposed to being, what is this all about? And you've accomplished that. From the minute our family came here, we have been committed to you. My wife's been absolutely committed to this. She, unfortunately, is not here today because she's becoming part of our medical establishment. She just graduated from nursing school, and she's studying for her nursing board. So we're excited about you. That's a round of applause from me. That's because I kept the kids while she went to school. I just need you to know that's what the deal is. That's even more applause. That's right. Thank you. But seriously, I just want to thank everyone for all the support. I particularly want to thank the RAB Foundation. Where's Steve and Marie? This was a really interesting combination of things. Our foundation was looking for support for our pediatric program. The RAB Foundation came to us and said, "We'll support you. This is really a good idea," particularly as it relates to outreach and how we can outreach with the program. Well, when we found a partnership with the Children's Museum, it was the perfect combination to outreach but also leverage and community with other community resources. And so we saw that as just being a great opportunity to make this work. So we're just thrilled and excited. Where's George Michael? I gotta tell you, thank you for actually creating all of this stuff. Where is he? You know, he shouldn't. Well, no wonder he took off. He's building something else, which is what developers do. But it was great to have him be a part of this. I want to thank the VIA, who have been the soul of healthcare for our community for so many years. They've supported this museum. They've supported the hospital and the health system, Doylestown Health. And they supported me, and that's what I love the most. And Dr. Gomez is the head of our pediatric program. I want to thank you for being here and being a part of things. Daleen, thank you for all the stuff that you guys have done for the museum and for the system. There's just so many people to thank, but mostly I want to thank this community for the support for this wonderful organization. And we are not only is this an exhibit, but this is a focus around which we will do health education and communication. So we'll be running classes and things for families, for parents and kids, all about being healthier. That's what Doylestown Health's about, that's what this place is about, and that's what we're so committed to supporting. So thank you from the bottom of our heart. We're excited to have you.
2011, they jumped right on board with all the hand washing units that we have here, and just being a part. This museum would not be here if it wasn't for community support. And a mother of three, I am a frequent flyer at the Doylestown ER. So I know how stressful it can be for young children to go to a hospital, and having this exhibit here, as Jim said, demystifies the whole hospital experience for children and hopefully relieves some anxiety and an educational component as well. So we're so thrilled to continue this partnership with Doylestown Health, and thank you to CHC Construction, Ron, who has been here night and day, and Gabrielle, our assistant director here, and all the families, and Ava, who had to put up with mom and dad being here every day. Everybody who supported us in this very exciting process. Thank you so much, guys. It wouldn't be here without you.
You want to say anything?
Sure. Well, I pretty much echo the comments here that I think that part of when we established the pediatric program with Doylestown Health is the biggest component that we talked about was community education and community outreach. Honestly, you know, we want to keep people out of our hospital. We want to keep them healthy, and using an exhibit like this to teach, to explain the body, explain ways to be healthy is the way to do that. The more young people learn about their bodies and health and things like that, the more likely they are to stay healthy over their lifetimes if they start at a very young age. So I think that this is a big step towards accomplishing that, and a big part of what we'd like to do with the pediatric program at Doylestown Health and the Children's Museum together. I think this is a great partnership, and I'm happy to be a part of it.
Thank you.